Feedback within the team is so important. Feedback makes us better. Feedback makes us stronger. But for feedback to work, it has to be honest. The InZone M10S monitor has been developed with Fnatic. OLED screen response time, 480Hz refresh rate. The feedback you get from your monitor could be the difference between a win or a loss. The difference between clicking heads or saying go next. No matter what your rank, get the feedback you deserve with the new Sony InZone M10S monitor. Built with the pros, for the future pros.